everybody, my name is China. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm coming back to y'all with a brand new video today. Okay? And clearly the elephant in the room, the star of the show, the reason I'm making this damn video is this wig that I have on my head right here, girl. It is clearly this platinum blonde wig. It is from Afsisterwig. It is a T-part wig, believe it or not. Yes, girl, you can get a T-part wig nice and laid. They're actually easier than regular frontals, so do not sleep on the T-part wigs, okay? I'm telling you that right now. Especially if you lazy like me and don't be liking to put on full lace frontal wigs. Get you a T-part, girl. Okay, y'all, if you're interested in how I got this wig to look how it did or any details about the wig, please be sure to check out the rest of this video. But before we get into it, girl, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Smack the fuck out of your screen right where that subscribe button is, girl, where the comment section is, where everything is. Girl, leave me some feedback, some interaction, all that. Now let's get into it. Hey y'all, okay, so I'm back. Before anybody does this, can we just ignore that one of my hands have nails and then one doesn't? I'm in the middle of trying to take them off, so don't do that. Don't do that. Today's video is going to be sponsored by Afsisterwigs. This is their packaging, super pretty, clean, sleek, all that. I love it. This is gonna be something a little bit different for me. I'm usually like a jet black type of girl, honey, but this wig right here, baby, bow. It's a super platinum wig with dark roots. It is a T-part wig and I believe I got 14 inches. I actually toned this hair. It didn't come off frizzy like this and stuff. I toned the hair because it was like super yellow at first. I will insert a clip on how it was, but yeah, it was super yellow and I just didn't really like it. Right now it's still yellow, but it's not as bad as it was. So yeah, I'm actually pretty nervous about this one. Just because I don't really think it's gonna look right, but we finna do this anyway. So here's the cap construction. As I said, it's a T-part wig, so it has ear to ear lace, and then it just has like a singular parting of space going down the middle. It has two combs on each side, a comb like at the crown of the head, and then a comb in the back, and then it also has adjustable straps. The knots aren't bleached in this unit, doesn't appear to be plucked. So we just finna work with it. The first thing I want to do though is try it on. Girl. Oh my goodness. Hold up. Girl. So right now I honestly don't know what I'm doing, so I'm not even going to make this a tutorial. I'm just going to let y'all watch me style this hair. And yeah, I'll come back once it's done and I did something to it. In the future, I'm probably going to dye this hair to a different color because I'm not doing this. I can already tell. The hair is soft though. I am getting some shedding, but it is processed hair, so I would definitely expect that. I wasn't getting any shedding until I washed it, so maybe because the hair is wet and it's more fragile right now, maybe that's why it's shedding. But it is getting some shedding. It's not much, and I'm not getting any tangling, so we'll see what we're working with. Like, now looking at it, I don't think the color looks that bad on me, but I don't know if I would ever wear it out. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. Like, this is so out there for me. Like, I don't know, girl. I feel like Mary J. Blige or something like that, or like Nicki, or I don't fucking know, girl. Whoever it is, it ain't me. Look at the lace though. Like, this all looks so good, but like it's like up here because my wig cap, which I'm gonna try to put some more makeup. I don't want to put too much makeup in there. Yeah, I think that's better. Okay, y'all, so this is it for this video. This is the finished look right here. Again, this wig is from Afsisterwig. If you enjoyed, the links to everything is going to be down in the description box for y'all. And if you enjoyed the video, please be sure to give me a big thumbs up and smack the fuck out of your screen right where the subscribe button is, and you might as well hit the notification bell because you already know I'm gonna be right back at it like a crack addict, and that's on who? Poonim. Adios.